Hello everyone, good morning. Guess where I am, looking behind me. Okay, I'm gonna take the camera off myself and just show you. I'm in my happy place, ta-da. Hold on, let me turn the camera around. Look where I am, the art supply store with notebooks galore, art supplies, paints, Blick paints, big, small. If you're painting with Art Rave, this is a great brand. This is one that I use a lot. Not the tempera. Don't get tempera. Tempera's terrible. This is, of course, the higher priced, beautiful golden paints. And Blick in the tube, also highly recommended. This is what I also paint with. In some of the colors, especially these two. I always get these two in the tube. I always get this color in the tube, raw sienna, and that's pretty much it. I always get raw sienna, dioxazine purple, and ultramarine blue in the tube. The other colors I get in the liquid, fluid acrylic, but just a little heads up on. And then as far as the varnish, I'll show you what I always use for varnish. Let's see, where is it? Glazing, no, gloss medium, okay. So I think it's this one. Whoopsie. Acrylic medium, gloss medium. No, it's not. That might not be it. It's a varnish.